Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a picture in a table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show insert picture in a table. Now firstly insert from a table. Now going to insert menu option. Now select from a table. Now choose from a row and columns. Then I show insert from table. This table is a resize for space. Now you can see insert from picture in the table. Now going to do again insert menu option, then click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from a picture. Now click for insert option. Now going to the picture format menu option, then click for a wrap text option. Now click for a none option. Then resize your picture in the table. That is. Now you can see insert picture in a table in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.